Hello, my name is Ben and I am the creator of Drum, and today I thought I would just record myself setting up one of my personal projects because I use Drum to work with my own clients. I thought it might be interesting for the people out there who have yet to work in Drum to see how I set up one of my own projects. So I'll do it now. I'm not going to use a real project name, I will change that later, so I'll just call this and project. A wonderful project of mine. So I'll create that project. Now the next step is for me to think about the high level milestones for this project. And sometimes these can align with perhaps the points in your project where you're receiving payment from your client, or any other sort of milestones that you use. There are templates that you can use. For web development, marketing, project-driven, growth-driven design, if you're into that. But the project I'm creating is a bit of a unique snowflake, so I will create a completely custom project. The first step for my project is to develop the marketing funnels. This is a marketing and web project. So I'll create that. The next step is the website design and copy, marketing copy. So create the third milestone is the implementation. So this is implementing website designs and marketing funnels. And last but not least, I like to have a project review in my projects. So I just say project review, review the project wins and learnings. Excellent. So high level, we have 4 milestones for this project. So let's create some tasks. So milestone 1, develop marketing funnels. What I'm going to do is the first step for this is to develop the primary marketing funnel. So I'll call this develop the primary product marketing funnel. And here I'll say create user flow for call to action, landing page, thank you page, and email with content. Fantastic. So do I want my client to sign off on this? Yes, I do. I want my client to approve these flows, the call to action text, what the landing page looks like, and the copy. Yes, so I will require client sign off for that. Next, I'll develop the other 3 secondary marketing funnels. And you know what? I'll just copy this. And I'll say that requires client sign off as well. Add that task. Now, last but not least, for the marketing funnels milestone, I'll just say set up email marketing tools. And I'll just say automation for giveaways, invitation, and lead generation. This doesn't require client sign off. This is more of a letting them know what I'm up to. Excellent. So for the website design and copy, a few tasks here. I'll just say, first of all, set goals for each website, for each website page. And you know what? Let's fast forward this section, and I will do a bit of a recap afterwards. Excellent. So for milestone 2, we're setting goals. There's Lo-Fi designs for all the pages, client review of the Lo-Fi designs, and notice I've asked for client sign off here. So it'd be great if I could get formal sign off that they're happy with the review. Detailed design of website pages, client review, once again client sign-off, and client sign-off of designs. So once again, another client sign-off task, because I want to know that once we get past this milestone 2, website design and copy, that the client is completely happy with the design, so there's no scope change during the implementation phase. This is really, really important based on my experience, and getting formal client sign-off is absolutely invaluable. So let's set up milestone 3. Milestone 3 is complete. Only 3 tasks here. So the implementation of the approved website designs, implementation of the marketing funnels, and last but not least, the formal client sign-off that this milestone 3 is complete. And this milestone will likely coincide with a payment from the client to myself. So last but not least, project review. I'm just going to call this goal review and project recap. Let's recap our wins together. I don't require formal sign off on this, but this is just a nice thing to have in projects. And so that's it. Our project setup is now done in Drum. So we can go to our project dashboard. Would I like to save this project as a template for future use? Sure, why not? There might be a number of different sites that I do in the future where I'm creating marketing funnels at the front, so I'll just call this website with marketing funnels. And so that means if I ever do have a similar project in the future, I don't have to do all this data entry again. I can just select that template and it's all there for me. Your project template has been saved. Fantastic. So now we'll go to the project dashboard. And here you can see the project dashboard. All the tasks are currently pending. I haven't started work on any of them. But what I will do is I will invite my client. I'll let them know once I've started developing the marketing funnels by changing the task status here to working on. So the client will know straight away when the task status has changed. And what I'll do is in the key project documents, I will also upload all the key files for this project. So I'll upload the contract, the spec sheet, and any appendices to the contract or things like that. During the client review phases, my clients will be able to leave formal feedback here, and we'll be able to track all the feedback in the project. And so that we can track how well the project went and where the holdups were at the end of the project, there's a project journal, so I can clearly see what happened and when. So that was a very quick example of setting up a unique project in Drum for one of my own clients. If you're interested in Drum, if you think it would be great for your work with your clients, send me an email, ben@getdrum.com, or go to getdrum.com and sign up for early access.